Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel, Frugal Beauty. I'm Tracy, and today I'm going to be walking you through my first manicure with the Beetles gel nail kit that I recently bought on Amazon for $43. So getting started here, everything that you see on this table did come out of that kit, and the first things you're going to want to use are the tools that help you remove your excess cuticles. Just because when you're using a UV lamp, it is going to cure everything in place really well. So you want to make sure you don't have any excess skin lingering around your nails that the nail polish could adhere to, because it is going to stay there. Roughen up the surface of your nails a little bit so the nail polish sticks, and have some nail polish remover handy in case it sticks to the wrong things. Getting started with our polishes, we're of course going to start with a thin layer of our base coat, and we're going to let that sit under the UV lamp for about 90 seconds. Do both hands, then you're ready for color. I'm starting by working on one hand at a time and one color at a time, because I am going to be using multiple colors on each hand, starting with the black and just cleaning up the edges as I go. Black can be very messy and unforgiving, so I'm trying to be careful. The other two colors I'm going to be throwing in there are the pale pink and the sparkly glitter pink / rose gold type color. Hold your hand under the lamp for the full 2 minutes this time, and then do the same thing on the other hand. Once you have 2 full hands polished and cured with the lamp, you're going to do the same thing all over again with a second coat, and then cure it for another 2 minutes. And of course, finish it off with a top coat on both hands, letting that cure for 2 minutes as well, keeping with that same trend. Then we're not done quite yet. We're going to take these guys right here and our fun little assortment of gems that were included in the kit, and have some real fun with this. I have all the gems I need and more here out on the table right now, and I'm going to do the technique that I read online. It said to use your hardener, which comes with the kit, as your nail adhesive. Now this tool I'm using right here actually came from something else that I have. It's an art kit actually, but I thought it would work easier than using those little tweezers, so you can use those if you want to, or whatever else you have lying around, honestly. You just need something to hold that gem in place, because it does take a while to glue down. And this was honestly the most difficult part of the manicure, because they did not want to hold in place. I did get them down eventually though. Once I got those in place, I cured them for about 1 minute, and voila! Check it out. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments, but I honestly love them. I feel like I got this inspiration from my 13-year-old niece, who is currently obsessed with all things K-pop. And once I saw my finished product, all that I could think of was Blackpink! So yeah, this is my unofficial Blackpink manicure. Let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys!